Second grade Module 3, Researching to Build Knowledge and Teach Others, The Secret World of Pollination. This unit engages students as they learn all about plants, their needs for pollination, and some of the super important creatures that make it possible. This is a fun, hands-on unit that helps students make important connections to the foods they eat every day while building strong reading and writing skills. What do plants need to grow and survive? How do pollinators help plants grow and survive? How do we get the fruits, flowers, and vegetables that we enjoy? How do we become researchers and share our learning? In this unit, students will research and make many observations to seek out the answers to these questions. We will be collaborating, reading, researching, taking notes, writing, drawing, and presenting what we know and learn about some tiny and important creatures. Let's buzz on as we learn more. There are 3 units in this module. Unit 1 lays the foundation for our learning by introducing students to the importance of plants, what they need to grow and survive, and what pollination is. In Unit 2, we develop our research skills with shared notes and writing all about bees and how they help pollinate flowers. Students will also choose another pollinator to learn more about for their projects in Unit 3. As we move into the 3rd unit of the module, students will create their own poster and oral presentation to teach their peers about the pollinator they've been researching. Here are some of the tasks your child will be expected to complete in this unit. Answering questions in response to a nonfiction text. They will be expected to use the text, illustrations, and other text features. Writing an informational paragraph about a pollinator they have researched, creating a poster, and oral presentation about their researched pollinator. How do plants grow and survive? In Unit 1, we will use the nonfiction text, Seed to Plant, from National Geographic Kids to help us discover the answer to this guiding question. We will have focused readings on different parts of the book and explore many text features such as captions, diagrams, and charts. We will use a Freyer model, as seen on the right side of the screen, to help in the development of new vocabulary words. We will also explore and manipulate compound words, all while learning the various parts of a plant, what it needs to survive, and learning the concepts of pollination and seed dispersal. What is pollination? This is the nonfiction text that will be guiding us as we become researchers and develop strong note-taking and informational writing skills. We begin with a group research on bees and how they are important pollinators. The class will work through guided notes and a guided informational paragraph to serve as a model for the second half of the unit, where they will research and write about another pollinator of their choosing. They will work in small groups to research and will also create scientific drawings of their pollinators as they study photographs of the pollination process. In Unit 3, we will learn how to put together all of the information we've been studying and create an engaging presentation to teach our peers. Students will create a poster featuring their revised scientific drawings as well as text features like captions. They will also plan out what they will say and record it on note cards to end in an oral presentation in class. You can reinforce some of this learning at home in a variety of ways. One option is to pay a visit to a local park or garden and observe some of the flowers that you find. Talk with your child about what they see and notice the different parts of the plant. Pay close attention to see if you can spot any creatures interacting with them. The next time you visit the grocery store, head over to the produce section and have your students share about how pollinators helped produce some of the foods you may eat and why they're important. Finally, read books about different plants and pollinators. Here are some great recommendations you may wish to look for the next time you visit your public library. Plants Can't Sit Still by Rebecca E. Hirsch. From Seed to Flower by Stephen Anderson. Slugs, Bugs, and Salamanders by Sally Needle. Sylvia Spinach by Catherine Pryor. What If There Were No Bees by Suzanne Slade. Achoo! Why Pollen Counts by Shannon Bersani. Insect Pollinators by Jennifer Boothroyd. Plantzilla by Geraldine Nolan. We can't wait to engage your child in this exciting and hands-on module, and we thank you for your partnership in education.